Looking for the best motorcycle tires of 2025? Whether you're into touring, racing, or casual riding, the right tires can make all the difference. In this countdown, we'll show you the top 5 best motorcycle tires that combine performance, durability, and safety, all tailored for every type of rider. From wet weather handling to high-speed cornering, these tires have you covered. Stay tuned and discover which tire takes the top spot. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Michelin Road 6 GT rear tire, a powerhouse performer made for riders who refuse to settle for anything less than excellence. Tailored for heavy touring motorcycles, this 190/55 ZR17/75W tire is engineered to deliver next-level stability, confidence-inspiring grip, and long-lasting durability on every ride. Its updated tread pattern and advanced 100% silica compound bring incredible traction, especially in wet conditions, thanks to Michelin's Water Ever Grip technology. Whether you're slicing through tight city traffic or gliding down endless highways, this tire keeps you grounded and in control. Durability shines here too, compared to the previous generation. The Road 6 GT offers up to 10% more mileage, so you can stretch your adventures even further without frequent replacements. The responsive handling and enhanced braking give you that much-needed peace of mind on unpredictable roads. When it comes to comfort, safety, and grip in all conditions, the Road 6 GT is an elite-level rear tire that never backs down. It's reliable, rugged, and built for every road trip you're planning this year. At number 4, we have a true dual sport champion, the Dunlop Trailmax Mission rear tire, sized at 150/70B-17. This tire is built for adventure riders who demand durability and performance both on and off the road. Whether you're exploring rugged trails or conquering the open highway, the Trailmax Mission delivers with confidence. Dunlop engineered this tire with an aggressive tread pattern that bites into dirt and gravel without sacrificing pavement performance. The wraparound side lugs add extra traction when cornering on loose terrain, while the reinforced sidewalls boost stability and durability under heavy loads. One of its biggest highlights, this tire is known to last up to 8,000 miles or more, depending on riding conditions, making it one of the most long-lasting adventure tires in its class. The Trailmax Mission is the perfect fusion of off-road aggression and on-road control, making it a must-have for the serious adventurer. It's bold, built tough, and made for riders who live life beyond the pavement. Trail or tarmac, this tire has your back. Rolling into number 3, we've got the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4, a super sport beast of a rear tire that brings track-level DNA to the street. Designed for riders who crave adrenaline and high-performance cornering, this 190/55 ZR17 tire is all about grip, responsiveness, and raw road feel. This tire brings track-inspired performance to everyday roads. The Diablo Rosso 4 features a bi-compound rear design, combining a high silica center for mileage and dual shoulders with softer rubber for aggressive lean angles. If your ride thrives on speed and lean, this tire delivers confidence at every curve. Wet or dry, the water evacuation grooves and advanced tread design keep your traction game strong. It's built for hypersport and naked bikes that demand the best. Even better? It comes bundled with a sleek Pirelli keychain, a small but stylish bonus for fans of premium gear. Expect razor-sharp cornering, high-speed stability, and elite grip. If you're chasing excitement with every ride, the Rosso 4 is a thrilling upgrade. Taking the number 2 spot is the Bridgestone Battlax A41, a premium rear tire built for the modern adventurer. If your journey spans asphalt highways to winding mountain passes, this tire is ready to perform. Engineered for adventure touring motorcycles, the A41 balances off-road capability with on-road performance. Bridgestone's multi-compound construction and 3LC, 3-layer compound, technology give this tire a wide contact patch, which translates to confident grip, even in variable conditions. This tire shines where grip meets endurance. Its revised tread pattern enhances water drainage, giving you better stability in wet conditions without compromising dry road agility. Whether you're riding solo or fully loaded for a weekend escape, the A41 stays steady under pressure. Expect smoother cornering, increased traction, and improved mileage. The tire's performance doesn't just impress, it builds rider confidence mile after mile. For riders who want versatility and reliability in one rugged package, the Battlax A41 is a top-tier pick. This is the kind of tire that makes every road, paved or not, an invitation to ride. Claiming the #1 spot on our countdown is the Metzeler Sportec M7 RR, a high-performance front tire built for riders who live for the thrill. Designed to fit sport bikes like the Aprilia RS250, this tire brings race-bred technology straight to the streets. Born from the road racing world, the M7 RR delivers razor-sharp handling, impressive wet grip, and lightning-quick response. Whether you're carving canyon curves or darting through city traffic, the tire's tread pattern ensures maximum control and feedback. The dual-compound rubber formulation offers excellent mileage without sacrificing grip. Thanks to its high silica content, you get strong performance even in cold or wet conditions. The central grooves and side channels efficiently channel water away, giving you the edge in tricky weather. This tire doesn't just perform, it inspires confidence at every lean angle. It's agile, it's precise, and it's built for riders who push the limits. If you're chasing ultimate control and cornering power, the M7 RR is your frontrunner. That's it for our top 5 motorcycle tires of 2025. Hopefully you found your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tire talk and ride tips. See you on the road?